Need a high-performance dump trailer for hauling gravel, construction debris, or your equipment? NC Trailers makes financing your dump trailer simple, fast, and hassle-free. Dump trailers are a great option for hauling both construction materials and equipment to and from the job site. Most are equipped with ramps, tie-downs, and combo gates, and that makes them a highly versatile tool for your business. At NC Trailers, you get the best selection of dump trailers and the best payment options to choose from. If you need financing, you can choose from secured loans, rent-to-own, and layaway. We have fast approvals for all credit types, including no credit check options. You can finance your registration, ball mount, GPS tracker, straps, and all the other accessories you might need. And our fast and easy financing program will save you time by keeping more money in your pocket. You bundle and save by rolling all of those accessories and the trailer into one low monthly payment. You simply apply, sign, and drive away with that new dump trailer. And we can do it all in the same day. Since 1996, NC Trailers has sold and serviced over 10,000 trailers. We're the #1 rated dealer in the Carolinas with over 1,400 5-star Google reviews. With over 400 new and used trailers in stock today, our family-owned business specializes in getting the best financing options for contractors, landscapers, businesses, and everyone in between. And if you want more details, check out our Ultimate Trailer Guide to Financing Dump Trailers, and it's part of our Trailer Financing Made Easy blog series. And if you're ready to get started with financing, you can go ahead and give us a call or fill out our Get Financing form today, and we'll get you rolling with that perfect dump trailer.